Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So on gold, if you saw this morning's video, you probably likely had a pretty nice long because I was talking about how this is just continuing to make higher lows and then continue to make another higher low today. I think that we are more than likely in a wave C on the daily, and I think the minimum I would expect that wave C to go is at least a 34.10. It might even go a little bit beyond that. So I am definitely recommending longs. The only thing that would turn me into a long-term seller is if I saw this break a structure. If I saw a Fibonacci bounce and I saw it go down and break structure, then I would definitely turn back into a seller. But as of right now, definitely going to continue to look for pullback entries on these sort of time frames for longs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.